Okay, let's sketch the graph of a hyperbola where one's not at the center. Well, the first thing I want to do is rewrite the problem with my x's together and my y's. I will need to take these x's right here and factor a 4 out of each of them. I'm leaving a little space there so I can complete the square. I don't have to complete the square here because there's no other y's. I also took the 16, moved it to the other side. I'm now going to take that 2 divided by 2, which is 1, which I'm going to square, all right, which is 1. But actually, when I put a 1 there, I really added 4. So I've got to add that 4 times 1 there. So that makes it up to negative 12. Now here's what's going to happen now is this. All right, so we have the following. Right here, I need to divide by negative 12 everything. And what's going to happen divided by negative 12 is this. That 4 will now become like this there. And notice I switched places because this one's now negative and that one is now positive because the negative divided by negative. So I know this, we have this here. So I know that my center is at this negative 1, 0. I also know this here, that the A will be this square rooted. The B will be that one square rooted. All right, so we say square root of 3. So when I go to graph this, now I know this one's going to have the center, we said it where? Negative 1, 0, inside liar. So I'll put a dot, negative 1, 0. Now the A, because the y's are first, it's going to go up, in a sense, these 2 right here. And now I'm going to move along the x one, a square root of 3. Draw my little vertex part right there. And then now all I have to do is this here, draw my diagonal asymptotes. There's my vertexes, put my hyperbola going through there and there, and where they don't touch those green lines. And I have now graphed it. Remember, this one's the y's first, so it's going up and down like this here, because the y squareds are the ones where the graph looks like this. Don't want to graph them on there, but right up there.